Okay, so today we're looking at a Cub Cadet RZT zero-turn rider. This one has been around the block a few times. I know the fellow that bought it used, and he has since passed on, but his wife uses it and she likes it. It's pretty basic if you look at it. It's simple deck, simple controls. It's got a PTO clutch, and it is powered by a Kohler Courage engine, 22 horsepower. I just did a repair on this. It had the notorious leaking valve cover, so I just replaced the valve cover here on this side. You can see I didn't bother with the other one because, well, that one's not leaking. So let's take a look at anything that's under the seat here. Okay, there's the battery. There's a starter solenoid, pretty simple. Here's the model number right there, and any other pertinent information is right here for parts and whatnot. So, all right. Oh, it does have an adjustable seat for moving it forward and backward. So there it is, the Cub Cadet zero-turn RZT lawnmower. Thanks for watching.